Alright, so I got a 2020 BMW M340i for an oil change. It's kind of simple. I just have a jank-ass way of doing it because I don't have any lifts or anything like that. So, but I farted. Main things, it's like 6.8 quarts, 0W20. Boom, boom, boom. Oil filter number is a S910 or S90186. Now there's like an XL version of this, which is like longer lasting, but if you change your oil every 3K, there's no point in that. Obviously you need a funnel, you need a 17 millimeter, and you need a 32 millimeter or a 1 inch and a quarter socket to fit the oil drain or the oil plug. Or the oil filter plug. Can I talk? I meant to say oil filter to get that off. Normally I just do that first, so I'm gonna try my best to do this with one hand. Okay, so it's right down there. That should be it. I can get it off. Alright, so once you take that bad boy off, there's an O-ring right on there. You can see it. Right, better view of it. Right here. Take that one off. The oil filter and everything should come with a replacement. I'm going to try to get this off real quick. Give me a second. Throw that bitch out. Don't need it. Take your oil filter. This side should go down in, just like this. Alright, I'm going to twist over left to right. Locks in. That bad boy done. I'll get the O-ring on. That's done. Put that joint down inside there. Make sure it's in the hole. Okay. Now, always try to start it with your hand first. That way you can get it in. And then tighten it up with a big guy. Right down there. Okay, in the process of that, I lost the fucking ratchet, or the extension, somewhere down in the engine bay, so I gotta fish that out. That's cool. Alright, so now it's pretty easy. You get underneath the car, take this out from right there, and your drain plug is right up on top of that. So I'll get that canister under there, start unloading her. This might make a mess, and I really hope not. But I got it. Okay. Here goes nothing. Well, I got it all over my hand, but now it's spurting all over. Why is it doing that? Oh, it's because of the wind. Fuck. That ain't great. Don't do this on a windy day. Kind of sucks. Because it's just going everywhere. Fuck. Son of a bitch, bro. Oh, it's so bad. That is horrible. Why is it fucking spurting out like that? Jesus Christ. Alright. Make sure you replace the drain plug with the one that comes in the kit. This thing, we don't fucking need that, so throw it. Yeah, the wind was making it freaking go all over the place, so I definitely got a mess to clean up. Alright, so I got the drain plug in. I made a mess again. Gotta lower it down, take the jack off, and then should be able to put the oil in her. Alright, so I got 5 quarts going in first. Just fill all that up. I fucking cut myself. Fuck. Anyways. Yeah, 6 going in. There's that. Let that sit there for a second. I don't think it's going to be that huge of an issue because it'll probably all burn off in the first startup anyways after a little bit. Okay, I don't know, can't really care. Some of y'all can add me in the comments for putting 7 quarts in. I just don't think it's going to be that much of an issue. My dad used to run a quart less in his race car to have less crank pressure, less pressure on the crank, so he could run faster. So fuck it. All right, this is the most time-consuming shit ever. So just do for the service reset on your BMW, do diagnostic mode. So I had to take it off. That's why I had to do that. So do 1, 2, 3, and it should say up there diagnostic mode once all the messages come over. Yeah, brakes, pads, yeah, whatever. Diagnostic mode. Put that away. Hold this button until you get a message about brake level reset. Now tap the BC button again. Hold it until it says reset. And you hold it again. Release and then hold again. I see it says reset in progress. Reset successful. There. That's probably the hardest part of doing an oil change in this damn thing. Now what I normally do is I start it, I check for leaks, etc. So I'm just going to start it, back off this real quick. Then let it warm up. Select car, vehicle status, engine oil level, engine oil measurement, start measurement. Make sure you're in park neutral and then you're on a level flat ground. And don't press the accelerator or anything. Just leave it be and let it do what it's got to do. And that should take roughly a couple minutes. Okay, see, it's at max. Hopefully y'all's oil pump doesn't fucking fail on you and only read 20%, because I know that was like an issue for this year. I gotta go. My kid just woke up. Look at all this freaking mess I made. Made all this mess. I don't know how to clean that, but I guess we'll figure it out. So, alrighty guys, I appreciate you watching another video, and peace out.